Ever sit down to study, work, or even just start a small task, and somehow 2 hours disappear scrolling your phone? Yeah, me too. I've been there, staring at a blank page, feeling stuck, watching motivation slip away. But what if I told you that beating procrastination doesn't need hours of willpower? You just need 5 minutes. Hi, I'm James, and today on Econ Secrets, we're breaking down the 5-minute rule. A tiny trick that can immediately kickstart your productivity. Most of us think productivity means long study sessions or endless motivation. But reality? Motivation is unreliable. Notifications pop up, friends text, TikTok calls, and suddenly your 3-hour study plan feels impossible. I've seen students stare at textbooks for hours, doing nothing. That's why the 5-minute rule works so well. Commit to just 5 minutes, not an hour, just 5. Once you start, momentum builds. Suddenly, that impossible task feels doable. Think of it like easing into cold water. Step 1, pick the tiniest version of your task. Step 2, set a timer for exactly 5 minutes. Your brain thinks, I can survive 5 minutes. Step 3, kill distractions. 5 minutes of focus can grow into hours. I've used this for studying, exercise, even cleaning. 2 hours later, everything was done. Reward momentum, not perfection. Starting becomes easier. Stopping becomes harder. 5 minutes is the doorway. So pick one task, set a timer, and just start. Like, subscribe, and comment your first 5-minute task. Let's do this together.